So, Rupali, now we will further delve into the complexity of the policy, and that's how we have been doing till now. So, we will talk about a specific thing. So, the question says, what are the lesser known clauses in the policy that reduce the claim amount, and how do they impact you?
So I'll not say lesser known because I think people know it. But again, it's an illusion world. So they know it, but it gets highlighted when there is a claim. So one fact in any property business can be an underinsurance. When a client is putting up the claim, he's not aware that his claim is going to get reduced if the sum insured which he has covered for his assets or for the stock is not as per the today's thing. Then the surveyor is going to cut that underinsurance from the claim amount. The claim gets reduced. Let's say if there is an underinsurance of 10%, the 10% gets reduced from the claim, and that he'll come to know only after the assessment is released by the insurance company. There is a concept of franchisee, similar to underinsurance, but insurance company put these clauses and client is not aware. He will get aware only when there is a claim.
Deduction. Yeah.
Then I talked about network, non-network hospitals in Mediclaim policy. I talked about reasonable and customary clauses. Then in property premium, there is a factor called depreciation. So depreciation also reduces the claim to a great extent. I'll just quote an example. There was a claim of stock. And for any stock, you know that if the finished good is not produced and there is a fire, you have to reverse the GST because you're not going to get the credit. And client feels कि मेरे stock में वो GST का भी loss मुझे मिलेगा if there is a claim. But वो तब मिलेगा जब आपने वो GST को include किया है, आपने अपने valuation में उसका impact consider किया है. Otherwise, the loss is in the tune of 2, 3, 4 crores if it is a big stock claim. That again comes as a shocker because he is not aware that he has covered that GST. And he is asking for that amount in the event of claim. That silently reduces the claim.
Yes.
So there are so many fine prints which just reduce the claim, and client will come to know when the assessment is out.
One very interesting thing which I observed in one of the claims was something what is called slow moving, non-moving stocks.
In stocks, yes.
Yeah, so if the stock is stored for more than 6 months or 1 year,
yes,
that 10-15% would reduce.
Absolutely.
Which the client would never even imagine.
No,
भैया
no
मेरा
way.
तो stock का value है,
yes,
आपने कैसे 10% काट दिया?
Yes.
But वो
So
भी
that
एक
is also a
one
concept.
of the
So talk
concept.
about business interruption policy. Earlier, there was a concept of indemnity up to 12 months indemnity period by
Fix
default
हो
you
गया,
get
हाँ,
in the policy.
हाँ.
There was a time when you had to choose for it. 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, and there was a premium. Okay, client is not knowing this. What is his indemnity? उसको पता है कि BI will trigger if his plant is shut down for XYZ number of months. And then there was a claim and he was in an impression, मेरे पास तो बंद का policy है. He used to say कि बंद का policy, मेरा plant बंद होगा तो मुझे मिलेगा,
पैसा मिलेगा,
and that was the whole concept. And the plant was shut down for more than I think 9-10 months, and he has an indemnity of only 3 months.
3 months.
That speaks कि आप 3 महीने तक का ही आपको cover मिल रहा है. But वो इस impression में था कि if I start after 9-10 months, I'll be paid, and that was deducted, and that was a huge deduction. Again, I'll say that's a silent deduction. Policy 3 months indemnity, he never bothered to understand that terminology, but that paid him heavily in the event of claim.
It is also triggering from the fact of L1.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
yes.
Because 3 months policy would definitely be cheaper than a 9-month indemnity policy.
And that were the times when BI used to be a little out of touch,
the course,
and people used to feel कि यार मैं लूँ या नहीं लूँ ये policy, and that was a premium associated with the.
So that and that way I think the regulator did a good thing to making it 12 months so that this mis-sell is not there. कि भैया 3 महीने का ले लो, 6 महीने का ले लो. आपने किसी ने 12 months कोट किया, आपने 3 months कोट किया, उसका L1 हो गया, उसको चेक.
Yes, that's true.
Good.